Today we're starting the 50-hour service on our TYM 2515H.
We're changing the engine oil and the filter.
It's so easy, a kid can do it.
That's it.
First, we'll check our air filter.
Looks pristine and
See?
clean. Pretty nice.
Yeah, looks pretty clean. Tap it. There's no loose dirt or debris. We'll blow that out with the air filter, with the air hose.
Yeah, so
Slide it back in.
No, I'm doing it the wrong way.
There you go.
This is nice. Reinstall your drain plug and tighten it up. Gotta align it perfectly so you can get it in there. Got it in there. Now you don't have to worry about lining it up. Now, grab your wrench. Try to get it on there. You can actually probably just do it with your fingers, honestly.
Here's the part we're using. Spin the old oil filter off, lube up the ring on the new one, and then spin it back on.
First, unscrew your oil cap, put the funnel in, and then pour in your 15W40 Rotella T5.
Engine oil. And that ring.
Oh, I can't unscrew it. I'm out of weird. I'm also out of weird No, can we get some like pliers?
Yeah, that thing's on there.
There we go. Alright, now unscrew the oil cap. Put the funnel in. And then if you're a kid, ask an adult to help you.
Pull the yellow dipstick. Let's check the oil. Yellow.
Yeah, I know, but we gotta screw off the cap, right? Listen, I can do it. Do it.
Oh, I thought we were supposed to screw it off.
Pretty close.
Yeah.
May need to add just a touch more.